Basic mixtures of rice or stuffing made with rice, chickpeas, or bulgur wheat form the foundation of many Lebanese dishes, and the one I'm about to show you is used in making stuffed grapevine leaves, a variety of stuffed vegetables, or even used as a stuffing for poultry. In this video, I will show you how to make two versions of this meat and rice stuffing, or Hashweh Mishi. The traditional version uses rice, and I have also made a non-traditional low-carb version that uses riced cauliflower, or challah rice, which is simply raw cauliflower that has been grated or processed until it's about the size of rice grains. Please note that except for the onion, which is briefly sautéed, this is an uncooked stuffing, and it must be cooked before eating. Here are the ingredients you will need to make traditional hashweh. 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 1/4 cups of long grain rice washed and drained, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Lebanese 7 spices, 1 pound or 500 kilograms of ground lamb or beef, and 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters of water. The ingredients for low-carb hashweh are exactly the same as traditional hashweh, except that you will be replacing the long grain rice with the same amount of fresh or frozen riced cauliflower. To make the hashweh, gather all your ingredients together and then start by washing and draining the rice. Do not worry that you are washing away precious nutrients when you wash the rice. The amount lost is minimal. Washing rice actually rids the grains of surface starches, prevents clumping, and yields a clean, fresh taste. When you're washing the rice, use plenty of fresh, cold water and always start by stirring the rice in circles or by rubbing it gently between your palms to loosen the starches. Keep in mind that the water actually never gets perfectly clear. It starts out opaque and very cloudy and becomes less so as the rice is washed and rinsed. Just wash the rice with fresh cold water until the water is nearly clear. If you're washing the rice in a bowl of cold water like I am, it will take from 3 to 5 changes of water for the water to get nearly clear. Once the rice has been washed, just set it aside in the sieve or colander to drain over a bowl while you prepare the onions. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee to a sauté pan and add the chopped onion. Let it cook gently over medium heat until the onion is softened and just starting to get translucent. It is important not to brown the onion. Once the onion is translucent and softened, take the onion off of the heat and let it cool slightly. Into a large mixing bowl, add your washed, drained, and uncooked rice. If you are making the low-carb version, this is where you would add the fresh or frozen riced cauliflower. I use frozen riced cauliflower because it's easy and the bags are 10 to 12 ounces, so it's very easy to add a bag and then to get on with the recipe. To the rice, or the riced cauliflower, add the cooked onion. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of Lebanese 7 spice, Mix the rice, cooked onion, and the spices together until everything is well combined. Now add the ground lamb or beef to the rice mixture and mix well. Now add 1/2 cup of cold water and really mix the water well into the rice and meat mixture. You want to squeeze the mixture through your hands and mix it until it's very well combined and almost like a rough paste. Once the mixture is well combined, that's it. You've made Hashweh Mishi. Whether you make the traditional version or the low-carb version, or both versions as I often do, you're now ready to stuff grape leaves, vegetables, or even a chicken to make a delicious Lebanese dish. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to be notified of future videos.